Hey, my Suzuki rear wheel bearings are gone, so I'm going to replace them with this Athena kit, and I removed the old gaskets, and there is a little tube between the bearings on there. So what I do is have a pipe that goes in, and then I gently push the inner tube to the other side, and then I flip the wheel, and now I can hit the bearing out just a little bit side by side, alternating. Like so. Now just flip the tire and hit the other side out. Like so. And now remember to clean everything up very carefully, including the little tube in the middle. Now you could press the new bearings in a press, or have a appropriate size socket to gently tap them in. The socket needs to be big enough so it'll push on the outer race. You can't push on the inner race or the bearing will get screwed, but from the outer race, but also small enough that it won't bind here. Other method is to put these on the refrigerator and to heat the wheel up so it goes in more easily, but it'll go like this too. And then the next one Then flip the wheel. Remember to put this back in. And then the last bearing. Yep, like that. Now we'll just put new seals here and we're done.